All right, so working on this E31, the trunk, having issue opening. Struggled with it for quite a while, but after checking all my relay, I rebuilt a general module for the car. It's still having issue with the trunk. So I tried to trace the problem. I looked on the internet. I don't have any video or very clueless. So I traced it from scratch. The wire for the trigger is actually this one. And going down here, removed it from here, and unfortunately there is a cut in the wire. So while I was removing it, they were touching and it was activating immediately. So you can see, lock it, and you see it open. It's not a fuse, it's not a relay. The problem is wire just get cut because right here is a 90-degree and a very sharp turn, and it get cut either way. So I didn't want to cut the sleeve because it's nice and original. So I stretched out the wire, pushed it in the lid. That way I could fix the wire, and using these guys, they're pretty good. Putting a jumper wire because the wire is really bad. I'm gonna jump it, put a new white one and a new brown one, and then put a shrinking tube over it and then cover it. It'll look original like never happened. So this is the problem if you're having issue with the trunk lid not opening. So yeah.